Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. It's November the 24th, 2023. And it's the first time this year the temperature's got this low. It's 2 degrees Celsius outside. And a lot of you who haven't had a Yaris hybrid before will be wondering, what is this symbol? That is the symbol for icy roads and to drive with care. So don't worry about it if that symbol pops up on the dash. There's nothing wrong with the car. It's just bringing to your attention the possibility of slippery roads or maybe some frost or ice on the road. Thank you very much for watching another video. Please click like if you've enjoyed the content. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.